HP8640B signal generator from Hewlett-Packard, 1973, 1974. They have problems with the plastic parts, and here they are, the gears for the range control and the FM peak deviation, which is these two controls here. And I replace it with brass controls, brass gears from India. Also the tuning, I have to change two of them. And the camshaft is also, it was broken, so I have to repair it. Now it's working. I have a very stable signal. I will set it to just a moment, 1 megahertz signal, very stable signal, but the display shows 64. 64 is an hexadecimal for 100. Multiply by 10, I have the frequency. So maybe the counter has a hexadecimal to decimal chip that is not working to analyze. So don't miss up another exciting chapter of resurrecting things from the 70s.